So this photo that we're looking at here with your mother, who was called, tell me a bit about the photo that we're looking at here.
She was Edith Selina Malcolm.
Yeah.
Married George Hupfield.
Okay.
In early 1930s.
Yeah. So what do you see in this photo?
This is one of her work friends, taken during the 1939 war.
Yeah.
At A G Sutherland and Company.
Right.
They were on war work and on shift work.
Mother was on a lot of war.
I don't remember anymore.
No, but it looks like to me, and from what you were just saying, that you think that they were making parachutes.
Yes.
Because that looks like they're using a Longarm sewing machine, and it looks like a parachute. What I find quite funny is this lady in the background here. I think she's dressing up.
She's what?
It looks like to me like she's got a funny hat on.
Oh, this person here?
No, the woman to her left.
This one?
No, go left.
This way?
There's a woman here.
What woman?
There's a woman
No, I can't see that.
there. Oh, you can't see it?
No.
There's another woman in the background who's got a funny hat on.
Perhaps it's Christmas.
I'm wondering if it's Christmas and they're dressing up and having a bit of a laugh.
Yes, I think that's very likely.
Yeah. Maybe that's why the photo's been taken.
Yeah.
Okay. So Sutherland, so where were they based? Where would you have gone for that work?
In Birmingham 11.
Yeah. Where's that?
Tysley.
Tysley. Yeah. So she lived on Manor Farm Road, which was Greet.
Yes.
And, okay. That's great. Okay. So they would have been making parachutes for the war. Lovely. Thanks.